You what the hell? You're on Pooya camera. What is D?
It was working last time. It just like screwed up this time. Like, I don't know what the hell happened.
Maybe because I mixed it and
The colors were matching up.
This is a different truck.
Turning red, man. Turning red.
You're getting it overdose.
If it just goes that way, if it just go, oh, okay.
No, that's a little too much.
Alright.
Hand it over.
No.
Hand it over.
It was this side.
Hand
It's
it
like,
over. You're going crazy.
hey. Alright. 2/3 of this. 2/3. Nah. What do we do?
Hand over.
What do we do here?
Oh yeah. You're lashing out. You're hitting me. You would never do this if you weren't on Rubik's Cube.
Orange. Alright. 2/3 of orange on one side. Now.
That's not how it works. You should introduce that stuff to your mind.
No, Steve. Let's go, bro.
Pooya, you're addicted.
Oh yeah.
Oh, alright. Wait, it was the same as the one last time.
You mean a Z? Yeah, you meant a Z.
Yeah, wow.
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 Z for 30s.
Oh my god.